Are you ready to add some color to your family tree? Well, I don't mean the colorful ancestors that we add to that family tree. I always love to do that. I mean actual color to your family tree to help you visualize and organize it better. In this video, I'm going to show you how color coding your family tree over at MyHeritage will help you visualize it and maybe come up with some possibly new ideas when it comes to genealogy research. Hey there, if we haven't met before, I am Lisa with Are You My Cousin? This YouTube channel is designed to help you find your ancestors, grow that family tree, but not get overwhelmed in the process. So if it sounds like your cup of tea, you're in the right place. Okay, so today I'm going to turn the camera around once again and take you over to MyHeritage to let you watch over my shoulder as I show you how I use the color coding feature for that pedigree tree there at MyHeritage. I really like the color, and I find that it helps me to visualize my family tree in a bit of a different way. And that's always such a help when it comes to maybe trying to come up with some new theories or some new ideas. I always look for new ways to look at my family tree because a fresh eye goes a long ways when it comes to creating those research plans. All right, let's turn the camera around and let me take you over there. Hey there, so we are back over at my family tree on MyHeritage, and I wanted to show you a feature that MyHeritage has that I really find very helpful. So this is one of my sample trees over there that I have, and I mean, it's a good tree, you know, it's good. You can see that we have the males are in blue and the females are in that kind of reddish color. So, but MyHeritage now, and has for a while, I can actually color code my family tree. And guys, I love this feature because I tend to be very visual when it comes to evaluating my family tree, and it just helps sort things out a little bit better in my visual brain when I'm working on my family tree. Now, in order to do that, you're going to come over here, and on this right-hand side here, you can see my little red cursor. You will see a little like artist palette symbol. So you just click that, and it tells you what you can do, that you can use the color coding feature here. And to do that, you come right down here to this little box that says use color coding in the pedigree view, and it does its magic, and all of a sudden we have my 4 lines nice and delineated. So we have my dad's side is in blue, my dad's mom's side is in green, my mom's dad's side is in pink, or we'll call it pinkish red, and then we have the yellow is my mother's side of the family. Now you can't actually change the colors. I mean, the colors are kind of set there, but this helps me in a very just organizational way for when I'm researching. I can at a quick glance, I can look at this and I know exactly who that maternal line is, that Howard line. And I can know that it goes back. I'm looking at the pink sides when I'm looking at my mother's father's side, my grandfather's side of the family. That just helps me visually sort it in my brain a little bit better for some reason. Again, I'm very visual when it comes to this sort of thing. So anything I can do to help me sort and kind of keep those ancestors in an organized thought patterns, this is going to help me. So I absolutely love this piece of the puzzle. The other one that part of this I like is if you go up here, there, you know, obviously we have the different views. I really like this fan view. Now I don't use it a lot, but I do enjoy using it and looking at it. Again, it helps me kind of keep an idea of how the tree looks, how healthy the tree is, where I'm missing things. I'm going to go ahead and drop it down to say, let's do 5 generations. And you can see, again, it's color coded. So those same people, so the blue, my dad's side of the family, then we have blues, then we have the greens. Okay, so I know that's going to be my paternal side of the family. And those pink, orangey, gold ones are going to be my maternal side of the family, just as a good way for me to visualize who's there and how I can move that tree back. So again, I enjoy using this particular feature. I think it's very helpful, and I hope you find it helpful as well. You might want to play around with it and just see, you know, click the color on, click it off. You can turn it back off if you wish in that pedigree tree, and see if you find it helpful, because I don't know about you, but whenever these ancestors get particularly sticky and I'm having trouble finding them, I find that using the any tool that I can possibly find, that's going to help me. I'm going to give it a try and see. All right, guys, you don't have anything to lose by giving that a try. Welcome back from that quick little tutorial on how to color code your family tree over at MyHeritage and why I like to use it that way. I hope I got some of the creative processes, research thoughts starting for you as well. So if you like adding color to your family tree, give me a thumbs up and let me know. Surely I'm not the only one. I truly do find it a valuable tool when it comes to my genealogy research. Okay, so let's keep that learning going and watch that video on your screen now so you can keep learning about how to get the most out of your MyHeritage subscription.